Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to create spread charts. I'll also show you how to save them to a portfolio so the spread values can be written to export files in ASCII or Excel format. In review, a spread is simply the difference between the closing prices of two individual time series. We can use these measurements to detect divergence and convergence between the two, and then use this information to uncover profitable opportunities. So let's get started. I'm going to create two individual live cattle contracts and chart them by clicking this chart button up here on the top toolbar. I'm going to type in LC for live cattle. This will show us the contracts available. Here we're going to choose two active contracts. The nearest is October 2024. Bring those up. The most active is on top. And on this one, we're going to go up here and click the Create Spread Chart toolbar button. That'll bring up another interface that lists available contracts. Here the December is highlighted. That's the one we're going to use. You can also have the values expressed as a ratio rather than just the price difference between the two closes. The ratio is a ratio between the two. You can also have the spread displayed as a bar, an open, high, low, close bar, where the differences between the opens, the highs, and the lows and the closes. But we're just going to stick with a close to close spread as a line chart. You can have it displayed as a histogram, but we're going to stick with a line. And go ahead and click OK. And here we see the result down here underneath the price chart. Range from 2 to -4, basically. And there you go. To have these values exported to a file, we're going to go down to the lower right hand corner and click Save to Portfolio. And on this, we're going to create a new portfolio for spread charts. And in the ASCII fields section, we need to specify this asterisk. That will tell the software to export the spread indicator along with the open, high, low, close, volume, open interest. So with that, I'm going to click Save. OK. Would you like to add this spread to your data export? Yes. So if we go over here, we can look at the export file by clicking on the table icon, and we can see the spread values over here in the last column. This is the column header label. It's a bit wordy, but gives you some description as to whether it's ratio adjusted, open, high, low, close, which would give you 4 values instead of 1. So there you go. So now every time you open UA or update UA, you can go in and chart this, and it'll bring up the updated spread. You can also have it automatically displayed once you open the program by checking this box. So now if you wanted to go one step further and add another indicator to this, we have to do a couple things. Let me go ahead and show you. The first thing to do is to select an indicator from the list. Let's go with a MACD. We'll add that to pane 3. And here we need to create what's called a chart template, which combines the two indicators in one template for use when exporting multiple indicators. So the next step after adding the new indicator to the chart is to go up here, click this gear button up top near to the right of the indicator drop down. Say new template, give it a name, click OK. Now we're going to go over here to the live cattle October contract. We're going to go in the lower right hand corner and change the spread indicator to a template and click OK. So now the export file contains the spread and the MACD values here. And again, that can also be brought up every day after an update. So each spread would require its own template. So actually, I would want to rename that maybe an LC MACD spread. So one other thing I wanted to mention is if you just wanted these indicator values exported, you could have removed the open, high, low, close fields, volume, open interest. So this would just give you the date and the indicator values. Like this. And some software requires an open, high, low, close. So if you were to just do a spread, you could put that asterisk in 4 times. Let's take this out. Save changes. Rewrite. So here you have the 4 spread values. So I hope this was helpful, and as always, if you have any questions, send them along to support@csidata.com. Someone from our customer service team will answer your questions, usually within 24 hours, but it could be within 2. Thank you for watching.